What if I told you that the secrets of your entire life are encoded within you? That's right, your DNA holds the key. But how does it know so much? Let's find out. How does DNA know about everything that will happen in my life? Before we dive in, let's quickly refresh our memory on what DNA is. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that contains the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms. It's like a blueprint for life, determining traits like hair color, height, and even predisposition to certain diseases. Imagine a family with a long history of red hair. The fiery locks, passed down through generations, all come down to the MC1R gene. When both parents carry a specific variation of this gene, their offspring have a 75% chance of having red hair. While this information is encoded in their DNA, it's important to note that DNA doesn't actually know anything. It's not a conscious entity. Instead, DNA is a set of instructions, a code that is constantly being read and interpreted by our cells. So when we say that DNA knows about everything that will happen in our lives, we're really talking about the potential for certain events or characteristics to occur based on the information stored in our DNA. But our lives aren't solely dictated by our DNA. It's more like a complex interplay between our genetic code and the environment around us. For example, a person might have a genetic predisposition to be tall, but if they experience malnutrition during their developmental years, they may not reach that potential height. Our environment, choices, and random occurrences all play a role in shaping our lives. Epigenetics adds another layer of complexity to this story. Picture two identical twins sharing the same DNA. One takes up meditation and yoga, while the other leads a stressful, sedentary life. Over time, their genes might be expressed differently due to the varying environments they've exposed themselves to, leading to different health outcomes. This field of study, called epigenetics, shows us that our environment can actually alter how our genes are expressed. So, while our DNA contains a vast amount of information about our potential life trajectories, it doesn't possess a crystal ball to predict our future. Our lives are a beautiful and complex tapestry of genetics, environment, and personal choices. It's like a game of chance, where DNA sets the stage, but we still have the power to shape our own destinies. As our understanding of DNA and genetics advances, we face new ethical challenges. For example, the possibility of genetic engineering raises questions about the balance between improving human lives and preserving our natural genetic diversity. Additionally, knowledge of our genetic predispositions might influence the way we live our lives or how others perceive us, potentially leading to discrimination or self-fulfilling prophecies. One potential benefit of understanding our genetic information is the development of personalized medicine. By knowing our individual genetic makeup, doctors could tailor treatments and medications to our specific needs, increasing their effectiveness. However, this also raises privacy concerns. If insurance companies or employers could access our genetic information, they might use it to deny coverage or discriminate against individuals with certain predispositions. In conclusion, DNA is a remarkable molecule that holds the key to our biological blueprint. It may provide insight into our potential life paths, but it doesn't have knowledge of everything that will happen to us. Our lives are shaped by a delicate dance between our genetic makeup and the world around us. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of DNA, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of our discoveries and use this knowledge to empower ourselves and others, without infringing upon personal freedoms or autonomy. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Quantum Spectrum for more thought-provoking content. Remember, the more we learn, the more questions we can ask.